Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade this afternoon. So talking about the benchmark indices, both the Sensex and the Nifty are at fresh record highs. Nifty trading above the 17,400 levels, while somewhere around the 17,400 levels, while the Sensex is trading at 58,000, above the 58,300 levels. Talking about the broader markets today, as of now, they are underperforming the benchmark indices as well. And other than that, we're seeing a good move coming in stocks like Reliance, Bharti Airtel, which are among the top gainers as well, and FMCG stocks doing quite well in trade if you look at it sector-wise also. Overall, FMCG stocks are the ones that are performing well, while realty stocks, PSU banks, IT under pressure in trade today. Moving on, let's look at the individual stocks now that are buzzing this afternoon. We have VST Tillers, which is doing quite well in trade. It's up as much as 7% in trade if you have a look at it. Now, this is on the back of the news flow that the company has signed a pact with Africa's export trading company for distribution of its range of tractors as well as power tillers in southern Africa. So surely that is keeping the stock a buzz. While today we also have Triveni Turbine, the stock is under pressure. It's down as much as 3% in trade after the company has executed a settlement agreement to terminate one of its JVs. Mainly this is because they were having a lot of issues in the JVs and disagreements. So they have decided to terminate the JV. So surely some pressure building in on the stock on the back of this news flow. We have JSPL also in focus today. The stock is up as much as 1% in trade after the steel output for the company grows by 6% in the month of August, as well as the sales are up by 4% as well. Moving on, Panacea Biotech also in focus today. The stock is up as much as 7% in trade today after the company has supplied the first shipment for the second component of Sputnik V coronavirus vaccine, which is produced in India for sale. So nice up move in the stock coming in as well, up 7% in trade. V-Guard Industries also in focus today. The stock is up 3% in trade after the company's made a further investment of 5 crores in V-Guard consumer products as well. Other than that, we have Vinnii Meds, which is in focus. Dish TV also is in focus today in trade this afternoon. These are the stocks that are mainly buzzing in trade in this afternoon. Let's keep an eye out on how they end in trade as well. While markets seem to have recovered from the day's low, trading at fresh highs, and broader markets underperforming the benchmark indices. So keep an eye out on all these stocks today, especially the top gainers being Bharti Airtel in trade, which is surely buzzing and up more than 2 to 3% in trade as well. Other than that, we have Voltas also, Canfin Home, which is also buzzing in trade today.